Hello people, it's a Monday morning and for the first time ever I have my son with me on a Monday. First time pretty much in these 5 years, and my little son has
You rabbit.
got me my birthday present, which is, show me.
3, 2, 1.
One. Whoa. I know I keep getting scolded like, why rabbits, why so many of them and all, but the way I see it is every little rabbit we find, we save it from the meat market. And this little girl is one of the most. My son yesterday was so happy, he kept saying things like, I am so happy, I am getting tears of happiness. And because this young lady, she's one of the most unique rabbits that I've seen, in terms of she's multicolored, like as in she's gray, she's black, yeah, bit of black, yeah, gray, brown, white, and
Yellow.
and a bit of golden also beneath her ears. Show me golden. Yeah, that's where she's golden. So it is, I've never seen a rabbit with so many. Basically it's a multicolored rabbit. So the thing is, this my son, I need to thank him for this rabbit, because he
It's
was the
not
one.
me.
Yesterday he decided, and we never go to a pet shop on a Sunday, and yesterday we went and she was the only one in her
Tomorrow
cage.
is my mom's birthday.
Yeah, so that's why my son is with me. I'm so happy about this. And what have you named your rabbit?
Bonnie.
Bonnie. So Bonnie, and this is my Bonnie baby boy. And since she's 2 months old, hopefully, I don't know. Let's see, she
The
might
black-
survive, and then we might have
Can I show them the black one?
black one. Black one will show them.
I'll take the camera there to black.
No. So it's okay. We will do one more recording. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.